Hi guys, Emilio from Bambi Baby doing another Pippolite install. Today we're going to be testing out a Jeep Cherokee Limited. This Jeep Cherokee Limited is a great SUV for new parents. So we're about to do the install. I'll point out the latches, point out the latch points, and we'll take it from there. See you in a bit. Hi guys, so we're on the inside of the Jeep Cherokee now, and Jeep Cherokee also has multiple latch points. Here we have two set aside on the passenger side, 11 inches apart. Then we can also identify that we have two more anchor points here in the middle section if we wanted to mount it in the middle, or on the far right. For this install, we're going to be using the passenger side, and we're going to be using the two latch points on the passenger side. We'll show you how easy that is to connect. Pippolite install in a Jeep Cherokee. First thing you want to do is drop the rebound bar to make it as simple as possible. Drop it over by the seat. Line up your latches, and you can see the attachment points are exposed in a Jeep Cherokee, so it's very, very simple to line up. You have both of them on both sides. All you got to do is get close. You have red on the latches. They both turn green. Installed. Ready to go. No movement. Perfect balance. Set up properly. Thank you.